Alright, so if you are a fitness person and if you are tracking your steps all the time, so today's video is specially for you. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Hi everyone, this is Chanak and welcome back to my new video. And today I will do a review and unboxing for these two lovely smartwatch from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So this ones I have, which is a 44mm, and this ones I got is a 40mm. So let's quickly unbox and let's see what comes inside. Alright, so let's talk about the first impression for this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. To be honest, it looks similar and amazing as a previous model Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So its look wise is similar, but from inside is a completely change. Alright, so let's talk about the specifications for this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So Samsung launched in two different variants, which is one of them is 40mm, one of them is 44mm. 40mm is coming in 1.3 inch and 44mm is coming in 1.5 inch. The both are is a Super AMOLED display, so the displays are really amazing and is covering by sapphire crystal glass as well, and a stainless steel frame. So it's display wise and the frame material wise is amazing. If I can talk about the processor for this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, so Samsung launched a new processor, which is a Samsung Exynos W1000, which is based on 3nm processor, and it's Samsung is claiming that it's a 3 times faster than previous model, which is a Watch 6, and the Watch 6 processor was a W930, was based on 5nm. So W1000 is on 3nm and the W930 was in 5nm. So Samsung is claiming that the Watch 7 is a 3 times faster than Watch 6 series. Also, we got a new bioactive sensor from the Samsung. It is a second generation that you can see that's a bunch of LEDs on the back side. So it's like a completely new sensor. It's upgraded and it's give you a more accurate steps, calories and sleep trackings and everything if you are comparing with the previous model. Also, Samsung launched a new features in Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, which is called a double pinch. It's similar like Apple. Apple is calling a double tap and Samsung is called a double pinch, which is like these features. I hope you guys know about that. So like if you got a calls or anything and if your hands are busy, you just do a double pinch and you can answer the calls and you can cut the calls as well like a double pinch. If I can talk about the storage for Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, so there is an upgrade in storage as well. So the previous model was coming with the 2GB RAM and 16GB, which is a Watch 6, and the Watch 7 is coming in 2GB RAM and 32GB. So it's a double storage if I can compare with the Watch 6. It's also coming with a Bluetooth 5.3 and it's also coming built-in a Wear OS 5. The UI looks is fantastic. It's coming with a 4 years of security updates. Also, Samsung introduced a first time ever in the smartwatch that who's supporting a dual frequency GPS, which is L1 plus L5. Also, you can get so many features if you are using a Samsung phone. Just go to the Samsung Health and you can see a lots of features regards your health that you can use it to track your everyday activities and everyday lifestyles as well. So if I can talk about the batteries, the 40mm variant is coming with a 300 mAh battery and this 44mm variant is coming with a 425 mAh battery. The both of them are taking like around 1.5 hours to fully charge, and it can stay up to 1.5 days, depends that how you are using it. Samsung launched this lovely smartwatch in 3 different colors, which is a silver, green and cream color as well. So the colors are completely new and amazing look wise. Also, you got some extra offers as well if you buy a Samsung Galaxy S25 series or Tab S10 series or anything. So you can get around 30% off in the full price of Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So that's amazing. Alright, so let's talk about the price for this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So the Samsung launched this watch in July. The price they put on that time was £290 roughly for 40mm and Wi-Fi variant. but now you can get that watch for only 214 pounds, which is a very cheap. And if you go to the top model, which was a 369 pounds, now you can get it for 294 pounds, so like around 70 to 80 pounds discounts you can get in each model. Depends on the price and depends on the variants, that which variants are you looking. I'll still suggest maybe go and check in Samsung's website, so you can get a correct and latest offers in Samsung smartwatch. Alright, so let's talk about the final words for this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. To be honest, Samsung done their best so far. This is one of the best smartwatch yet from Samsung. If I can ignore the Samsung Galaxy Ultra, this is one of the best smartwatch if I can compare with the Watch 6, 5 or 4 series. This is a fresh processor, which is a Samsung Exynos W1000, which is 3 times faster than Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series. So the processor is faster. It's also coming with a sapphire crystal glasses as well on the top, so it's give you extra protections. It's also coming with a stainless steel body. It's completely fresh designs, like color wise it's completely different colors you can get, and it's also give you up to 4 years of security update. So from my side, it's completely well package from the Samsung. Is also giving a nice offer nowadays, which is a 214 pounds. Alright, so that was the video from my side for Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. If you like the video, please subscribe the channels to see more videos like this from my side. So now time to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.